lights on.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. I know I have not posted in a while now, and that is because we just had our first baby, so I've been a little bit busy. I haven't had a time to film videos or edit anything, but welcome to another episode of Coffee and Chills. I'm glad to have you back here. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing we're going to be reviewing an air cooler for a CPU that was sent to us by Vetroo, the same company we reviewed an AIO from like a month ago or something like that, which, to be honest, you can see it right here. This is the AIO that they sent me, and I'm very happy with it. It's been amazing. It's been super quiet. It's been super cool. My temperatures are like max hitting 55 on 100% load on gaming. So far, I'm really happy with the results of that AIO, so I can't wait to put this cooler in and see what results do we get with that cooler. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to welcome you. My name is 𝘾𝙊𝙊𝙍, aka Nash. In this channel, we review tech, we review streaming products, we review all sorts of gaming products, and build PCs as well. So if you like content like that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you around the channel and grow our channel more and more. If you didn't know, we're also on Discord, so that link is in the bio. All the links for the products in this video will be in the bio, so if you're interested in purchasing them or taking a look at them in further detail, click on that link and you can see that on Amazon. But yeah, without further ado, this is the product we're going to be taking a look at today. This is the Vetroo CPU Cooler White Edition 5-volt connection. It's an ARGB connector to the motherboard. It comes with a 120mm fan on the front, but you can put a fan on the front and the back as well. It just depends on you. 5 pure copper heat pipes, which is really good, and they're all painted white, so that's kind of nice. It is compatible with Intel CPUs and AMD CPUs, which is really nice. The maximum noise level is 30 dBA, which is super quiet for a cooler. The bearing type on this fan is hydraulic, which makes it more quiet and lasts longer as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's open up this box and let's install it in my PC. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just finished installing this. Obviously, from the video you just watched, I would recommend you removing your GPU for installing the fan on the bottom and your RAM out. I did it the hard way, but you don't have to do that. These little clips right here, I don't know if you can see them, are really hard to put on if you don't have enough space for your fingers. So, but we're all good. It looks good. It's installed all well. Now let's boot it up. Alright, 1, 2, 3, moment of truth. There we go. CPU fan is not running, unfortunately. Alright, we got a red error for CPU. What's going on? Okay, let's do this again. So the RGB is working, and the CPU fan is plugged in. So why is it not posting? Everything's installed correctly. Huh, let's try it again. Posted. Machine is on. The fan is not on at all on the CPU. Temperatures are going up, which is not good at all because there's no fan moving the air through, but the fan is not applicable, which is the machine is not picking it up at all, so I'm not sure why. Let's try plugging it in and out and plugging back in. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I just took the plug for the CPU fan and plugged it back in. Let's see if it makes a difference. No, still nothing, man. It's like the fan is dead or something. Part of me wants to plug it into a system fan and see what happens. Maybe that'll make a difference. Like it's not, the fan is not able to operate as a CPU fan for some reason. Let's try that out. Okay guys, as you can see right now, I just plugged it into the system fan. Let's see if it operates. 1, 2, 3. No, this is nothing, man. What the heck? This fan might be dead, to be honest. Which kind of stinks, dude. Okay guys, so this fan is obviously not working. We've tried it multiple times, different kind of ports as well. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take one of these old fans that were on the AIO, and I'm gonna put it over there, because it's the same exact fan, right? Same exact company. I'm gonna try that one and see what we can get with it. So let's do that. Okay guys, so we have the new fan in, or not new fan, the old fan replacing the new fan, which was not working. Let's see what happens when we boot it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. So obviously this fan was just shot and was broken. This is the fan that came with the cooler itself, which kind of stinks because if you bought this and you're in the middle of this process, you're basically stuck unless you have other fans on hands, which is be cool. But after looking at it or diagnose it, you can see, let me show you. You see that? You see how much the fan comes out and in? So you can see when you look at this bearing, it moves a lot, so it's super loose, and maybe that's what the reason is going on, why it's not actually working. I'm not really sure. I'll contact Vetroo and see what's going on. Maybe this unit was just defected, which happens a lot in a lot of cases. But other than that, we're good to go. We're rolling in here. The CPU is running. The fan is running really good, and it looks awesome. So let's check out the temperatures real quick. While we're here, my HVAC is actually going on right now, so I'm going to let you listen to how loud this CPU cooler is. So it is extremely quiet. All right, so we are currently idling in 36 I don't know if you can see it. We're currently, the CPU for some reason is running at 4200 megahertz, which is more than it was with the AIO, but we are currently idling at 35, which is pretty nice. Let's go ahead and boot up and get it to 100% CPU usage and see what we can get. I just opened like 600 applications. We are 100% running right now, and the temperatures are amazing so far. So you can see that the ryzen is just running at 400,000 right now. The CPU fan is running at 1200 rounds per minute, which is not a lot, to be honest, because this is not a CPU fan. This was meant to be just an AIO fan, so the speeds are different. But you can see, I mean, the temperatures are really good. Oh gosh, the temperatures are really good under load. I mean, it's currently running at 46 degrees. Let's run a couple more applications. Go back to 100%. So under load, we're running at 48 degrees, which is pretty amazing for an air cooler, to be honest. 45 degrees under load. So yeah, I mean, here's my observations so far. I personally like air coolers better, to be honest, for some reason. I think they look cool. They look like industrial, which that's why I like them. And it is cheaper. This was the Vetroo V5 air cooler. It looks really cool. Other than the defected fan, nothing else wrong with it. It works really well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Put them down in the comment section. I'd love to answer all of them. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, I want to thank you personally. And if you didn't put a like on that video, make sure to go and do that. I really appreciate it. I don't know why I'm so close to the camera, but it is what it is. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. If you have any questions about this product, let me know in the comments below. And other than that, thank you for watching. See ya.